how to show Discord games activity. So first is you have to log into your account, to your Discord account. And on the right part, you will see that I don't have any activity going on, but I'm actually opening up an application here, as you can see on my left side. Now to turn on or to show your game activity, all you have to do is go here to your user settings and just tap on that. And on the left side, scroll all the way down till you see the activity settings section. Now there are three options under that. So you tap on activity privacy here, and here go to activity status, display current activity as a status message. So all you have to do is you just tap it on, and if we go back here, as you can see, my game activity is now showing. Let's try to exit, and then now it will actually not display. Now it will not display your game. So I signed out to that game, and game activity also signed out the playing Valorant. So if it doesn't work, make sure that you have logged into the Discord application, not via browser. It only works when you actually do it on the application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.